Welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Market World, and today I'm going to discuss about today's analysis. Hopefully you enjoyed my video on previous day sections video. Actually I told that levels also, if market opens with a gap down, if comes down means we have to watch this level, and after that this level also. I already marked that level X, especially yesterday, day before yesterday I told like that. But similarly this is a maturity, guys. This is a maturity. See what means uh, actually 2 days before we can't able to predict market will open with a gap up or gap down. We can't able to predict where it will open, where it will we can't able to predict. So see, if market open, see, this is the maturity always. This is today also very important lesson for you guys. See, some 2 days before session also, day before yesterday session also, it made one pivot low, guys. See, these level are already marked so many days before. See, just today also it reacts same level, guys. See, the market opened with a gap down and made huge momentum candle. See, this is the gap down and also made huge momentum candle. This is always danger, guys. If I take trade from here means the already huge gap down and the huge momentum candle. So if I take a trade for downside means definitely, if market goes upper side means my stop loss will be very high. So that's the reason I just waited for retracement, guys. See, this is the level. It doesn't cross us, so that's the reason I just waited for cross and breakout, and I just waiting for retracement also. See, but hopefully market doesn't comes downside. See, again market goes upper side. So in this situation I just take an aggressive trade, guys. Why? See, already the pivot low will be there and a huge gap down and make some retracement price action, and again it looks like morning star. See, looks like morning star, guys. But I taken aggressively. It's my mistake also, and also I have capital to manage, so that's the reason I taken. If safe trading means I have to wait for these breakout. Why? Because there is a levels or will be there, so that's the reason we have to wait for retracement. Then only if I take means that is the good entry for me for safe trading. Aggressively I have taken the trade, guys. I just taken the trade here only without TSKS breakout, and even upper side will be resistance level will be there, but I taken. Why? Because the huge gap down and what looks like morning star and price action also happened again. It doesn't sustain downside, so that's the reason. These are the elements with the maturity I just taken. See, I just taken the trade from here. Hopefully market goes upper side. What trade I taken, what strike price I taken, I will tell you guys. Which strike price? 19,500 will be the strike price, guys. 19,500 PE sell I taken. Okay, and it again market goes upper side and makes some lot of price action. See, lot of price action, and it closes again, it crosses and it downs. This is the exact thing. Market not having a power to go upper side, so that's the reason market is falling. This is the indication. And see, these are the very big candles. Again makes doji candle and market moves slowly. So these are the things, keep it in mind always. If market goes upper side and makes some doji candle, slowly it comes down means it having a chance to downside also. But if crosses again with the momentum candle means, and then if crosses with a fast means, definitely this is what this is a correction and this is the trend. So it makes trend, then it makes correction, then it goes like that only. You have to assume it, guys. Okay, this is the thing. This is the long concept. In upcoming days definitely I will teach you one by one, but short and sweetly you just capture this thing only. If market goes upper side with a big candle, see, fast candles, then it makes doji candle with a little low, and then this is the we call it as a support level. Exactly, market up to come this level, almost this level, again it goes. See, this is the wig, we can't able to consider wig also. Exactly, market almost sustain there only. See, this is the thing, it doesn't sustain downside, so that's the reason it reacts there only, same point. And this is the thing, so that's the reason I just exited my trade P sell position. I just exited here only. Why? Because it having a chance comes up to there this level, so that's the reason market will make me loss in P sell. So that's the reason I just exited here only. I just exited my trade, and after that I taken a trade of C sell position 19,600. Why I taken 19,600? There is a flat SSB and cloud will be there, and after that here also flat region, so that's the reason this is the safest strike price. So that's the reason I just taken 19,600 C sell position. And after that market comes down again, makes some retracement, again it comes down. This is a double down top, guys. We call it a double down top, and again it shows like momentum candle. And if it tomorrow, if market goes with a big candle with a fast moving, means definitely this is the trend, this is the correction we can expect up to this level also, or this level also. And we have to see some this level also. These are the see, these are the careful location. We have to carry it here only, these levels. Why? Because and I already told, if market comes with a gap down, means sometimes market or day or 2-3 days after, market will cover that location, or day after tomorrow also market having a chance to cover that location. So these are the things, it sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work, but we have to ready for take trade. Wherever it go, wherever it come, we have to take the trade with our complete logic and strategies, guys. These are the thing I am doing, guys. Please watch these videos regularly, then you will get an idea. Trading is not a easy subject. We need maturity, guys, and we need to fine tune ourselves. These are the things. In upcoming days, definitely I will teach you some deep knowledges. Okay, see, and I will go with a live thing, guys. See, I already told 19,600 and 19,004, where I entered a trade and where I exited my trade. I will explain you. See, 19,500, this is the strike price, guys. See, I just entered 19,500 PE sell. I just entered here and I just exited my trade here. See, 1150, you just watch it, and 930 I just entered. See, this is the thing, 930 I just entered, and 1150 I just exited. This is the thing, and I got what I'm always doing, option selling. See, this is the thing, I just made some profit here also, guys. What means almost 75 to 59, it means almost 15 to 16 rupees in one lot. And after that here also, see, here also I just 19,600 I just entered here, 68 rupees, and market closes with 49, but I just entered, I just exited my trade on around 51 rupees only, 51 rupees, almost 51 rupees. So that's the reason in one lot I just made profit almost 18 to 19 rupees. So both side I just made profit, guys. This is a maturity, guys. This is a maturity, definitely this is a maturity. Please learn it carefully, then you can do yourself, guys. These are the things, I'm just teaching you this knowledge. It's a very lengthy knowledge, so we can't able to explain it in one video. And if I explain it in one video, means definitely it will be in complex mode. So that's the reason I'm just teaching one by one daily. Some other days you will definitely get good knowledge, no doubt at all, guys. Okay, and coming to the next point, I just taken my trade. See, why I taken this trade. See, I will tell you. See, the market is open with see, market is open with a gap down. Okay, gap down. And after that, if market goes upper side means we have to wait for this level. Okay, and if entered this level means I just want to watch this level. This is the what this location is also called as resistance. Okay, and we can put some other different name also, guys. It's a uh, what red alert zone. We can tell it as a red alert zone, or alerting zone. Yeah, we can tell it as a alert zone also. So, and see, gap down and make some retracement, again it comes down. We can't able to take trade from here. Why? Because it doesn't break this level. So if safe trading means we have to wait for this level. See, this level or this level. If crosses this level means we have to wait for the retracement. See, this is the perfect indication, but again it goes upper side. Some of the people will definitely got fear, but again it comes down, and I just what exited my trade almost here. What means almost 80224, and almost 24 rupees. I just exited in 22 rupees only, 22 rupees with profit of, I just exited my trade on that time. Okay, these are the things I just completed my trades, 3 trades with a green, guys. Hopefully you also enjoyed my lesson and analysis, guys. For tomorrow I will come with a tomorrow's analysis. See, for tomorrow I want to tell you one thing. If tomorrow market, see, this is the trend, it looks like trend, and again it looks like a correction. If market makes more correction means definitely I will watch this level, this level. Why? Because this level is very important. This level is very important, very important. Why? Because we tell it as this level. Why? Because this is the flat level. So that's the reason. If market comes up to down level, I will watch this level, and after that this level. This is also very important. This red line also very important. If red means it's more complicated zone. Let's see if sometimes it will work, otherwise it will come down. For our reference, we always follow these rules, guys. If market comes up to here and makes a lot of doji candle, again it crosses means definitely I will exit my trade. This is the confirmation. Why? Because this still it acts as a support level, so we can analyze it. Otherwise, if comes up to here and then it makes some doji candle, again it entered to go reversal means definitely I will exit my trade. And for downside, I just exit my trade, and I will do upper side trades, guys. These are the things for downside. If market comes with a gap down, and again it goes downside, and this also it crosses with a momentum candle or whatever. If crosses downside, it comes up to where TSKS breakout, up to I will trade up to there, guys. Otherwise, if market opens huge gap up from here means I will wait this level. I will see if crosses momentum candle, again make some retracement, then only I will take trade, guys. These are the thing for downside. Otherwise, if market opens with a gap down, again it pulls back for upper side, I will see this level, and I will take 19,450 PSL. It acts as a support level. So that's the reason PSL I will do, guys, for 19,450. If up to it will go up to there, then it comes down, I will watch. If TSKS breakout, if crosses this level also, I will watch this level. If it goes up to with a powerful mode with a candle, and if makes a lot of doji comes slowly means I will definitely wait. Why? Because this is also acts as a support level, so it can't having a chance to come down. So that's the reason I will wait. And I can do 19,550 CE sell position also. Why? Because there is a resistance, it will act as support and resistance huge from so many days back also. So that's the reason I will do for corrective mode, guys. For corrective mode, I will do trade like that. Otherwise, see guys, if market opens with a gap up and makes retracement, then it goes upper side, means I will take trade from here. I will watch these level also, these levels also, these levels also. Why we are just watching? Why? Because if makes some lot of doji and makes crosses again breaks TSKS, means definitely I will exit my trade. Otherwise, if crosses slowly, means I will do again CE sell positions also, like that I will do, guys. If comes slowly, means, otherwise if comes fast, means definitely I will exit my trade for upper side and I will do execute my trades for downside. These are the things I'm doing, guys. Please watch these videos. If you have any doubt, please rewind back and watch it 2 or 3 times. Watch it, then you will get a lot of knowledge gets. See, trading is not a easy thing. You have to do some hard works, then only you will get more knowledge, guys. Otherwise, if crosses these levels also, momentum candle, and I will watch this level also for confirmation. If crosses these levels, I will sit. I just fasten my seat belts and I will see wherever it breaks TSKS again, means then only I will exit. Otherwise, I will do up to end. I will do trade my up to end. Okay, these are the things, guys. Uh, Anyway, today is also a very lengthy video, but knowledge is very important, so that's the reason I did long video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, and please support me. And in the upcoming days, definitely I will teach you more and more. Please support me. Please give me a strength, guys. Thank you so much.